forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by Mama Dipo.
Hi, Steve. How are you, baby? Welcome to the Chiefs. It's I knew.
Yes. Yes.
Last win, I'm telling you. Sunday, get us cooperation. Sundowns 2, Chiefs in North. According to me, listen, fine. Eriki Wega Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is just a team. I'm just gonna say that it's just a team.
It's just a name.
It's just a name. No, it's just a team. Nugget is just a team. Kutile batanya kemang jisi number 28 ngano bonole.
Mfundo Vilakazi.
Hata go tshwana le Mofokeng ba hesha.
Ba rupeta re
never nowadays.
Balora.
Stibo ngwanolo Kima Chiefs bayana. Wesi ma Chiefs ne enga ya bone e hectic. And then no khwabata. Ma Chiefs nge bana le basadi ba bone gore enga e yetle. Like it's too much for ma Chiefs. Yes, nothing ne Chiefs ha go bata. Bata le seri player fela go sana le defend. Defend tsa Chiefs di image Steve.
Makosana le bone basadi na.
Wa gana se utalla ke reng Chiefs wena Steve. Steve abana bone. Abana bone Steve. Abana bone. Steve ka je gone. Bona Steve, bona Timetona. Where is the thing? 1-1. Where is why it is 1-1? Baba Chiefs celebrate for now. For now. This is the last win, yeah, Chiefs. I'm still saying that. Yes. Retroville, yes, it's fine.
Sure.
We still have a long
way to go.
Like this is a start. Where is why I celebrate? They don't understand Betway. Where is the Betway feeling? Next year, come May. Chiefs. This is not the last game. We still have a long way to go. Steve, Betway ifela next year, May. 2027. The marathon. There is the race that I must run. There are victory to be won. Give me power every hour to be free. Chiefs Makosi Aimes. Makosi Aimes. Makosi Aimes. The way Makosi Aimes ngate. Ke bona o monga shebile game ya Pirates go phone number shebile. Ka re khotsagalane. Ke batlang. Ke ipoza gore okay. Why le Kosi le shebile game ya Pirates mara Chiefs e tlala. Ebe ke understand gore Pirates ke team eto.
The biggest.
Mara ba bona Saturday ke ba fa Sude watsama. Baka se opele khosa bana dipina. O isipina bona ke marawa.
Ba re loile.
O isiba ba jiwa ba win ba re loile. Thank you Steve. Baka ne for life. We still have a long way to go. Relax.
Relax.
Wa go bona ke re longo bona Happy Women's Day. I still repeat, I get it's a Women's Month. Happy Women's Month to Makos. This was the last win. I can bet with my life. Steve, if Makos can win a cup.
Utloetsa.
Steve
Yeah.